granddaughter's truck. She has a coolant issue going on, and as you can see, we've got her up to operating temperature. The water seems to flow when you rev the engine up, but when it's sitting here idling, it tends to get hot. So now we know this had the crusty red death. When I put a new radiator in it, I don't know, maybe over a year ago or so. But anyway, as you can see here, we're looking at the screen of the Flir heat sensor tool. As you can see, I'm pointing at the heater hoses right now, and as you can see, we have great flow going inside, but nothing is coming out the other side. So we know now why her heater don't work. She has a plugged heater core, and also this valve right here is not working. I have it wired open. This regulates the flow with the controls of the heater, and basically it's not holding any vacuum, so it's not opening up. I have it wired open, I believe, and as you can see, it's not showing anything either. Actually, you can look at the valve, and you can see the one hose going in. Let's see if I can get this correctly here. Okay, as you can see, the valve, it's hot on one side, cool on the other side. Well, it should be hot on both sides, whether it's cold or open, but obviously we got a heater core issue. Now the next issue is it may have a water pump issue. It might have, the water pump fins might be corroded off and it's not flowing like it should when it's idling. When it's idling and gets up to temperature. We'll see after we test her a little longer, but I suspect that we have a water pump issue as well, and I will also be taking a test of the coolant with a tester that tests for combustions in the coolant. That will be the next thing, and if that's the case, then we got a head problem or a head gasket problem. These do have a tendency to crack heads, so that's where we're at.